Attending roadside incidents is risky business. So to make it safer, remember the law. Flashing lights on a stationary incident response vehicle means approaching vehicles must slow down, move over, and pass at no more than 40 kilometers per hour. It's not just emergency services. Flashing lights on other vehicles like breakdown services, tow trucks, and incident response vehicles all require you to slow down and move over. If you don't slow down to 40, you could be fined $300 and 3 demerit points. If you're travelling in the opposite direction, you don't have to slow down, unless the incident and stationary vehicle with flashing lights is in the middle of the road or median strip, or both lanes are affected. Let's look after those who look after us.